Are you spending too much money on expensive flavored water? Are your drinks filled with sugar, preservatives, and other ingredients you can't even pronounce? Well, those days are over. Introducing Fruit Infusion, the new infusion pitcher that naturally adds flavor to your drinks using any fruit you choose. Now you can easily make your own delicious and refreshing fruit-flavored waters, teas, sodas, and more in this beautiful, crystal clear acrylic pitcher. Fruit Infusion is easy to use. Just unscrew the infusion rod from the lid, place your favorite fruit inside the rod, and then screw back into the lid. It's that easy. The open slots in the infusion rod now allow liquid and fruit to mix naturally. Fill the infusion rod to add life and flavor to water, iced tea, lemonade, limeade, your favorite juice, ginger ale, tonic water, seltzer water, and even your favorite vodka. Create outstanding lemonade with strawberries and pineapple. Enhance your iced tea with raspberries, lemons, and mint leaves. Enjoy countless combinations like oranges and raspberries, strawberries and lemons, watermelon and kiwi, blueberries, mints, and herbs. And you can easily make that refreshing, infused lemongrass and cucumber water served at all the world-famous spas. The possibilities are endless. Not only will your fruit infusion pitcher make great tasting drinks, it can be refilled over and over again for days. The same batch of fruit will continually flavor your water for up to 10 full days. And best of all, you can use your fruit infusion pitcher all year long. Not only will it satisfy your spring and summer thirst, with fruit infusion, you can continue to delight your family and friends with these tasty fall and winter drinks. So create your own custom drinks and enjoy any day of the year. And since your fruit infusion pitcher is made of beautiful quality acrylic, it creates an attractive presentation on any counter, any tabletop, and for any entertaining occasion. Your fruit infusion pitcher is BPA-free and the perfect way to serve good, healthy drinks to your children at home or on picnics. And don't forget, the fruit infusion pitcher also makes the perfect gift for any special occasion. So stop spending money on expensive flavored water, teas, and other drinks that are filled with sugar, preservatives, and other additives. Instead, get your fruit infusion pitcher and enjoy delicious, refreshing drinks that are so good, so healthy, and so easy to make. Buy yours now.